Continuing the lecture series on our Oracle Dbms, practical Dbms. Now, from the last lecture that I am trying to explain the union and union all operator. So you have already seen that I have created a casto1 table, then inserted some values to it, and then I have created casto2 tables, inserted few values to it. So then first I have performed this union operation. This is this one. So what I have told you that some invalid character is on because of this semicolon. Let's remove this one. Now see, no error because that semicolon is attached to that last character. So that's why that invalid character is on. Now this error is being removed. So with conditions, we have performed the union operator, and the first one we have without condition, that is also good, but with condition you can also perform. Now let's perform this one. Another one means order by. I'm using order by 2 here. Okay, so let's perform this one. So result is coming. So order by 2. What other thing you have seen that previous, that means second tables result is shown first. That is 5 Amritpal, 3 Gagoi. Then the first table 1 Rahul, second then seat. So you have seen that is the result because of the order by 2. So what would happen if I replace 2 by 1? First you have note down that order by 2 results. So let's now run this. Now see, the result is different. Now first table's value is coming first. That is 1 Rahul, 2 seat, and 3 Gagoi, then 5 Amritpal. You have got it. So what is order by and what difference it will means bring to the result. So when I am using order by 2, so order is performed with respect to table 2, and when I am using order by 1, that is with respect to table 1. Okay, now coming to the next thing, suppose I have inserted 2 similar values to these casto2 tables. Again, one thing that this semicolon is, see, now I have removed it. So then that invalid character means whenever some character being attached to the last character or some invalid mean string comes, then that or error is shown. So one row is inserted. Let's insert the second row. Second row is inserted. So 2 rows with same values, that is Gagoi awesome. These 2 values being inserted with respect to 6 and 3 IDs. Now let's perform this one. See, we want to see the union all operators output. Well, so let's do it. See, the output is coming. Now what thing you have observed? You see that same values Gagoi, this similar duplicacy is not means removed with respect to union all operator. Means union all operator is not going to remove the duplicate values. So the result will coming as it is. Now we are using order by 2. So order is performed with respect to table 2. Let's change it to 1. I have changed it to 1. Now let's see the put. Now see, the first values are coming from the first table. So Gagoi, the same similar values are coming. 3 Gagoi. So we don't need these 2 values. So only 1 value is required. So in that case, we'll use union. But if we don't want to means border these things, then we need to use union all. Okay. So that's the difference between union and union all. In one case, duplicacy is not allowed, and other case, duplicacy is allowed. So questions for today's lecture is that what is the difference between union and union all operator? Well, that's all for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.